Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this cake topper. Earlier today, I made a video, and I stated in that video that it would be a lot easier if it was welded together. The only problem, so I've actually welded the two words together. The only problem with that is that now it's not a text, so you cannot use text to path. One of the things we can do, though, and it's kind of easier to work it in this form. And if you will rotate your path kind of perpendicular to your wordage, it'd be a lot easier to use to me anyway, to use the envelope tool. So with your text selected, get your envelope tool. And before we do that, let's get it down closer. Envelope tool, put that. I'd actually take away these two. I'm just going to select the two center ones and delete them. And then just kind of move them in and out like that. And you know, we don't have to be on the exact path if you watch part 1, because we are making a path basically and but you can use the envelope tool to shape this. And sometimes you'll get some weird stuff, but you could always, use your handles, actually drag it past, drag that one down. It does distort the wordage a little bit, but it'd be a lot easier to glue it together. And then you've got your item and kind of put it at an angle. And this is where you'd left click, right click, go up to effects, contour the outside. Let's contour in red just so we can see it. It says contour is too large. I don't see how that could be possible. There we go. That's not big enough. I must have had the inside. Let's contour point. You know what? I think we did 0.7 earlier. There we go. So that's going to be your cake topper part. And if you didn't watch part 1, you might want to watch part 1. And we can always, what is neat about it, because it's filled in, it's all one word, you can kind of see what it's going to look like. So if you want to know how to make this, and I'll put a link to the video, even though this is part 2 and the other one, well, the other one's not part 1 because I didn't know I was making a second part. So I will put a link to this video and how to make this cake topper that actually sticks in the cake. Pretty clever idea. I like it. I maybe would not have both the words connected, but it would be a lot easier because the gentleman wants to glue it on top of that clear acrylic. So it'd be a lot easier to glue it if it was all one piece, or at least 2 pieces, instead of having individual letters to glue, because that would be, and I even, made the dot, and like I said in the video before, I would clean up some of the joints before I did it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.